So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to connect Hubdoc to Xero. The streamlining is very easy, and if you're ready to automate your receipt management, here's how to quickly do that. So firstly, you need to open your Xero dashboard by heading to the Xero website. Then log in to your Xero account using your credentials. Click on your organization's name in the top left corner of the screen. You can find it on the side left panel. Now to set up Hubdoc, from the drop-down menu, select Hubdoc. Click the Setup Hubdoc button to initialize the connection and create your account. And it is as simple as that. No other things need to be done. Now your Hubdoc and Xero accounts are successfully connected. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.